Hey, mobile gaming fans! Welcome back to the channel. If you're all about leveling up your mobile game experience without breaking a sweat, you're definitely in the right place. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new tips, tricks, and game hacks we drop every week. Today, I'm showing you a super quick hack tutorial to grab unlimited cash and coins in Township. It works directly on your phone, Android, or iOS, and no need rooting or jailbreaking. Let's get started. First things first, check that Township is running the latest version. Running the latest build helps the tool work smoothly and avoids any hiccups during the process. All updated? Great, let's keep going. Now open your browser and go to the site I'm using in this tutorial. Once you're there, search Township Unlimited Cash and Coins Hack, and it'll take you straight to the page with the tool. It's all set up and ready, and just follow along with me. On the tool page, look for an Inject button. It's usually nice and bright so you can't miss it. Tap that, and the tool will begin syncing with your app. This part only takes a few seconds. Just hang tight while it does its thing. Almost done. Before your resources gets added, you'll need to pass a quick human check. This step helps prevent bots from abusing the system. Usually, you just download a free app and follow a quick task, like opening it and clicking around for a bit. If you're unsure what to do, there's often a tutorial video right on the page to guide you. Once that's done, you're all set. Now, launch Township and take a look at your cash and coins balance. If you followed the steps, you should see the boost right there in your account. I tested it myself and it worked like a charm. And that's it, a fast, safe, and easy way to load up on cash and coins with Township Hack. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends who play too. Got stuck or have a question? Drop it in the comments, I check them often, and I'm here to help. And of course, hit subscribe and tap that notification bell so you're always first to know when I post more mobile gaming guides and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, enjoy your boost, and I'll catch you in the next video.